Today I'm going to teach you how to find unread chat and messages in Microsoft Teams. If you're working with multiple conversations and channels, keeping track of unread messages can get overwhelming. But Teams actually has a built-in feature that makes this incredibly simple. Let's walk through exactly how to access it. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface with several options on the left sidebar. This is your navigation panel where you can access different sections of Teams. Now look at the left side of your screen and click on Chat. This is where all your direct messages and group conversations are stored. The chat section is one of the primary ways you'll communicate with colleagues, so knowing how to filter unread messages here is essential. After clicking on Chat, shift your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice an option labeled Unread. Go ahead and click on it. This filter will instantly display all the chats that contain messages you haven't read yet, making it much easier to catch up on important conversations. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Ctrl-Alt-U on your keyboard at any time to jump straight to your unread chats. This shortcut is a real time saver if you're managing multiple conversations throughout the day. Now, the same functionality exists for your Teams channels as well. On the left sidebar, click on Teams. This section shows all the teams you're part of and their respective channels. Just like with chats, there's an unread filter here too. Once you're in the Teams section, look on the left side again and you'll see the Unread option. Click on it to view all the channels that have messages you haven't read yet. And just like before, you can also press Ctrl-Alt-U on your keyboard as a shortcut to instantly bring up all your unread messages in Teams. This makes it incredibly efficient to stay on top of important updates across different channels without having to manually check each one. And that's it. You've now learned how to quickly locate unread chats and messages in Microsoft Teams using both the manual filter and keyboard shortcuts. This simple feature can significantly improve your workflow and ensure you never miss important communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.